Are you looking for a way to make money? Do you have a phone? If so, then this is the perfect opportunity for you. I show you how to make $50 per day just by taking selfies and doing other very simple tasks. This is a fantastic way to make money. So, keep watching to the end, check the description box to earn $1,000 or even more each and every day. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. If you're looking for a way to make money that you actually enjoy doing, then this is perfect for you. TimeBucks app. TimeBucks is a reward app where you can earn real cash for performing various tasks and activities that you already do every day. You can earn cash from doing things such as taking surveys, watching videos, voting, installing free apps, playing games, taking selfies, growing a beard, performing web searches, and much more. Also, they have a referral program where you can earn a commission for referring your friends. TimeBucks is unique from other reward sites because they pay in real cash, not gift cards. They pay weekly with a low minimum payout of $10. TimeBucks is free to join. All you need is a computer, tablet, or smartphone with internet access to start making money with TimeBucks. Once you sign up, you can start earning money instantly. Your average earnings greatly depend on a number of factors such as your country, the device you are using, and how long you have been using the site. For example, for first-time use for someone from the United States using a combination of desktop and mobile devices, the first day could earn up to $50. Every day after that they can earn $10 to $20, depending on how much time they spend on the site. The first time is always the highest because most of the high-paying offers are available. Some offer only allow you to complete them once, so then they do not become available anymore. You should focus on the easiest offers first, not the highest paying. Just because it's the highest paying doesn't mean it's the best value for your time. For example, doing 6 offers that pay $2 each and take you 10 minutes each is better than doing one offer that pays $8 and takes you 1 hour to do. You earned more per hour by performing lots of little tasks rather than one big task. Always check for app install offers on mobile first because they are the easiest to do and have a good value for time. These earnings do not include any referral earnings. Your earnings potential by using the 2 referral systems is limitless. Payment methods, depending on which country you are from, they offer Payer, Bitcoin, Skrill, Neteller, AirTM, Tango Card, and bank transfer. PayPal not directly, but you can receive payments into your PayPal if you choose to be paid with AirTM, then withdraw with PayPal on the AirTM platform. TimeBucks is a legitimate site. It's owned by the Australian Clearing Proprietary. People throughout the globe have successfully made money with TimeBucks and have had no difficulties transferring their earnings. In the end, don't forget to check the description box to earn $1,000 or more every day instantly. Give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.